about time you fell in love with something that will love you back. And that, my friends, is house music. It doesn't judge you, and I won't either.
Ever been punched in your motherfucking face? What you say? Oh, you haven't? Alright, wait. I must admit, I am a bitch. I cannot fit. Rubbing my dick, margin of sweat. Look at my dick print.
Let's go! The fun shots. Every epic edit has the fun shots. So in this video, I will share with you my go-to shot list and checklist to help you capture an epic highlight video for your next adventure. Being all about the adventure, you want to set the mood right for your video. Whether it's an iconic landmark to the time of day to a signage, get creative and show your viewers the natural beauty of wherever you are. Just like this. This week, I am in Thailand to attend Songkran, aka the world's largest water festival that marks the beginning of the Thai New Year, which makes this the perfect stage to capture some fun shots. Speaking of fun shots, that's why I have my party outfit on right now. Tell me, how great is the fit? How great is it? Now, before we jump into the fun shot list, I want to share with you my prep and setup for Songkran. And given that my hands will mostly be busy with the water fights and all the action that's taking place around me, I want to be shooting this event mostly hands-free. And so, I've got 3 accessories that I am definitely bringing along with me. Number 1, the bite mount, together with the max lens mod. So this is my POV camera to shoot immersive POV shots that can draw my audience into my action. Just like that, right? Number 2, I have with me the flexible grip mount, which I have mounted in the front of the camera. That allows me to shoot POV mounted shots on my Super Soaker, both facing forward and facing backwards, capturing all of the action and emotion that I'm experiencing. Number 3, I have with me the JawFlex clamp, and this clamp allows me to clamp my GoPro camera at obscure location, trapping the action that's happening in front of it. Very cool. Right, last but not least, I've got a bag to pack everything in, and super important to make sure you waterproof your stuff. So I've got this small little waterproof Ziploc bag that has my monies, my cards, and at the same time, extra batteries. Make sure you waterproof them. Last but not least, super essential, is my sunnies, right? And this protects my eyes and of course all of the water action that's going to be happening right in front of us. Without further ado, wish me luck. Let's get ready to get soaked and stoked.
Yeah, you wanna put that dish in your mouth.
The point of view, also known as POV. These shots are typically done hands-free where you want to immerse your audience into your activity. So, what do you capture? High fives, fist bump, hugs, basically anything. These interactive moments with your friends to inanimate objects are perfect to add context to your story and are always great to cut to before or after an action takes place. Try it out. Let me know. What do you think? Self-capture. My favorite type of shot. Turn the camera around and show us your expression and reactions. Show us what you're doing without paying too much attention to the camera. Soak in the moment and let those emotions flow. Instead of using a selfie stick for this activity, I am going to mount my camera up front and direct the camera towards me. And if you're using a selfie stick, experiment with moving the grip forwards and backwards, top, down for a more dynamic shot. It's as simple as that. Pro tip, laughter and excitement is infectious. So don't forget to record those raw audio moments and include it in your final edit. Always great to set that tone and vibe that you're chasing. Let's get it. In summary, here is a breakdown of those short lists. Now, let's go have some fun. And that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? And stay tuned and subscribe, because in the next video, I will share with you tips on making that fun edit. Until then, stay safe. I'm about to head out for the time of my life. Let's get it. You! That was freaking insane! Wow! And that's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. I'll see you in the next upload. Yeah!